Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm so excited to be here today. It's a lovely, lovely day in northern Utah. If you've never been to Utah, let's see. Take a look at those hills, man. Ooh, I just love it here. Love it. Love it. Let's go into the man cave. All right, so today, did I say my name is Flippin' Eric? Because it is. My name is Flippin' Eric, and this is my setup, my man cave, and I flip things. So today I gotta get some orders shipped out, run down to the post office, run to my mom's and pick up a returned item. Has that happened to anybody lately? FedEx said I just didn't pay my bill, which makes absolutely 0 sense because you don't pay your bill till the end of the month with eBay, right? So gotta figure that one out. And then we're gonna pull some orders. And then I am going to show you a couple items you can make $100 on. And then I got a stack of shoes here for investment purposes. And if you're interested in learning how to flip high-end Nike shoes, stick around. You don't pay any seller value fees on the final seller value. Not going to try with that one right now, but you don't pay the fee, okay, on a $100 athletic shoe. Also, eBay is going to start authenticating these shoes. So it's a good hot market to get into right now. And I will teach you a little bit about the 6 pair that I personally got. All right, guys, so there is our measly 4 orders we're shipping out today. And let me run those to the post office. Got to run to my mom's house. Got to run to my source's house. She's got a bunch of Xbox stuff for me again. And then we will pull orders and go over shoes. Let's go. And even though it was a pretty good day, $240, it was a small profit margin because one of these pair of shoes I only made like 20 or 30 bucks on. So not good profit margins, but it works. I mean, if I'm making 20 bucks an item, that's okay. In case you didn't know what it looks like to drop off a package at the post office, that's what it looks like. You learn something new every day. Can't get much prettier than Utah in fall time. Okay, we're almost to Mom's house. All right, so just left the source's house. I don't think she watches my videos, so I can straight up say she's trying to like raise prices on me. I know times get hard, and I know like she does this, but she doesn't do it online. She does it around town. And since we don't live in the biggest town, it's probably not the easiest way to make income. But anyway, some Xbox stuff. I paid her 20 bucks, whatever. So let's get back to the house and pull some. Oh wait, I gotta go into Ace, and then we'll go to the man cave. This is why we're at Ace right here, because it's gonna be 10 degrees. So these cover your faucet so they don't break. It's gonna be 10 degrees on Sunday, and I am hoping to use my snowblower. Okay, back in the man cave. We're gonna have to hurry this up or Derek's not gonna watch my video. Okay, here's the loot. Let's just go over it real quick, pull some orders. Then I'm gonna teach you about some shoes, whoever wants to stay. Okay, I have not comped any of these, but can you believe that was 70 bucks, man? Prices have dropped for this platform. So that's a Halo. These Tom Clancy's go for like 8 to 10 bucks a piece. You can still get okay money for original. I mean, not okay, but just they'll sell. I don't know what is down there. Is that normal PlayStation? Holy cow. That's amazing. Okay. NBA 2K7 will probably get $1.99. Harry Potter. This is the one I'm betting on. Okay, let's go in for 10 bucks. So that and Tom Clancy pays for the whole thing. Madden 07's probably $5. NASCAR. I don't know about NASCAR. So, what do we have here? 50 bucks? Told you I paid up. All right, back in the man cave. Right before we pull some orders, I gotta show you the package that I got yesterday from my friend Timo Klein in Germany. He comments on here sometimes, and man, wow, what a present. Let me show you. I was in shock when I opened this package. I didn't get it on video, and I should have. All this straight German candy. Cool postcard. Oh, this is amazing. I never knew how cool Frankfurt was. I'd really like to go there. So there's even stuff for Christmas, which is coming up soon. So we will save these items for Christmas. That must be something they enjoy at Christmas time. But as for the rest of this, all right, so I met him through eBay. He bought something from me and I messaged him and we've just became friends. It's great. He sends me videos of his town and I send him videos of my town. And anyway, it's cool to have an international friend. Hopefully I can go see him one day. All right, so let's pull some orders. First order of the day is Halloween related. This person is waiting a little bit long. I mean, so they paid, I don't know, I think this is used. I got this from my source, but I listed it as used. This person paid $10.99, and they paid $3.64 to ship, I guess. I mean, this is just a Walmart special. You see the price on there. Some people just don't want to go out. There's the first order of the day. All right, as we walk to pull the first order, I got to give another shout out to Dragon Home Value. I think his name is Chris. And I want you guys to sub to him for two reasons. Number one, he's a nurse during this bullcrap pandemic. And number two, during my fundraiser yesterday in honor of Nick Pick Thrift, whatever he bought, he told me to keep. He sent me the money, wants me to resell that stuff and add that to it and donate it. So that's already like 75 bucks to the animal shelter or whatever Nicole wants me to do. Okay. First order was this Canon. I guess it prints. Yeah, it prints. It's got ink. It's used barely. And I took a best offer of $18 plus shipping. And I got this at a garage sale for, I think, $5. I should have kept track, but I don't pay more than $5 for things like this. The next order is the most important one of the day. It was also a fundraiser, so thank you, Dante from Prison to Profit. He bought this lot right here. I will pull it down and show it to you. My goal was here to add to the charity of Nicole. I just wanted to pay something back. I feel really fortunate. I've made very, very good money lately, enough to do fun things with my family. And so I gave this all to Dante for $25. These Nintendos are going for like 60. I had this listed for 50 and this was listed for 30. So that's my do good of the day. Added it to everything and it'll be in a video once we go down there and give the money to those dogs and cats. Dogs and cats. That one's going FedEx, costing me $8, and I am just going to put that in a box and just bubble wrap the crap out of it. Okay, next order is some wrestling shoes. This might be an item you can make $100 off of. I think they're right here. So I am not making $100 off of this pair. I paid up. I paid up knowing that I'd make 20, 30, 40 bucks on these, and it was fine with it. So I think that I paid, let me see, it says 37. So typically at Ross, they'll mark things down about $8 after that. So I'm paid about 25 bucks. These sold for $74.99. No, 75 even. The reason why I say you can make $100 off these is because the actual retail is like it's crazy. They were like 175 bucks. These ones are for a kid or a very, very small adult. And so you can't sell them for more than 100, but you could, to the right guy on the right day, all day. And the last order is that stupid package that came back to me. So now that part of my video is over with. Whoever wants to stay and learn about some shoes, please do. If you don't have time, I'm good with it. You can skip to the end and hear my outro. Have a good night. Let's start on some shoes. Okay, so the first shoe I have here is an Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. All that SE stands for is special edition, I think. So these are $125. They're going anywhere up to like $170 right now. So there's 3 variations of the Air Jordan 1. There's the low, the mid, and the high. The high is worth the most. These are just $125, and they're going to make you like 25 to 50 bucks depending on the shoe, but not always. You need to research a little bit. I'm just teaching you about the different shoes. So I got that for, I had some gift cards that I used, so I got it for $80 or so, and I'm selling them for $140 locally or putting them on my feet. Okay, then we have 5 more pair. This is another Air Jordan 1 Low SE. We've got Nike Dunk High. We've got another Low SE. We've got the Antetokounmpo. So he's the Greek freak, and he's killing it right now. I don't know if you like those or not, but I do. And then we have a special edition from 2006. Let's go over them. Sorry, so this was a Low, Air Jordan Low SE, okay? I forget what the name of this one is. They always have a name. These typically go for $110, and they are the least valuable Air Jordan 1 shoe. So, but if you can get something funky like this that's sold out, research it on StockX, research it on eBay, find out how much they're gonna go for. I got this pair for $107. I might put them on my feet, but if not, I'm gonna list them for around $150. The other pair is the same, and I've got to list it for more. So that's an Air Jordan 1 Low. Okay, what we have here is a Nike Dunk High Pro SB. So a Nike Dunk was, I believe it was the shoe right after, no, let's see. It was a collab, but it was like right after the Air Jordan 1 back in like 1986 when they needed a better shoe. Anyway, the Dunk is taking off right now. It's taking off. So I got this shoe for 170-ish. These retailed at 98. So depending on the Dunk, if you can score them as they come out, you're gonna make way more than $100 on these shoes, okay? It looks similar to the Air Jordan 1, but you need to know that it's not the same. They just look the same. Okay, so like I said, this is the Antetokounmpo. He's got his own shoe. He's got a great American story. Okay, these are called the Zoom Freak 1 Multi, also known as the What The, and I'll show you why. Because both shoes are not the same. I really like these. I don't know if he plays in these. I assume that he does because they're his shoe, but they seem kind of low for a basketball shoe. Okay, so these are the Zoom Freak. I got these for $100, and most likely this one is not going to really go up in value. So these you want to either purchase for yourself or to make like 20 bucks off of. And the most valuable shoe we have today, this is from 2006, and it is a collab of the Fantastic Four. Okay, I can't wear these, they're a size 8, and I wouldn't anyway because I'm gonna sell these for like 300 something bucks. They have been used. The Nike Dunk High Premium. So if it's a premium, then it's usually gonna be a collab. So you can see that swoosh goes all the way around A lot of people like that. Some people don't. So these have been worn, but you can't really tell because they clean them so well. You can see a little bit of wear on the toe. So this shoe, not worn, is going for $500-600, but there's not many out there. I can't find this shoe. There's one shoe on eBay. Since it is worn, it's gonna knock it down about $100. I'm gonna list it, what did I say, 300? Yeah, I paid like $180 for this shoe. This shoe I bought for investment purposes only. And if I do it right, I can pay for the Air Zoom Freak that I'm gonna wear, or the Jordan Low. So my advice, if you're gonna get into shoes, is to find out what's hot, find out what the kids are wearing, teens, find out who the cool rapper is. Like if you get a pair of Travis Scott's, you're gonna make a bunch of money, None of these shoes right here was something like outrageously nice. I just wanted to show you the different kinds of shoes and just teach you a little bit about them. I've shown you the green ones that you can make over $100 on, etc. I have a ton of shoes. If you want more advice, reach out to me. This video is getting too long, so I gotta cut it off. If anybody wants this shoe for cost, hit me up. I'm returning it to Nike because my wife doesn't want them. Had to interject that there. $100. All right, guys, that is gonna do it for me today. I hope you enjoyed my video. I need to go cut my hair because it's so cold outside. I gotta rake leaves, gotta cut my hair, gotta ship orders, I gotta list. It's the life of a reseller, man. It's hard work, but I love it. I love it. This is the life I love to live, so I hope you are too, and I love you guys all. Stay safe, and we will see you on the next one.